Welcome everyone. Today in this video we'll see 31 free Hedonics courses offered by Hedonics. The courses are of various categories. The major categories are the tools, programming, marketing, and last how to create a YouTube channel successfully. I have listed out all the 31 courses. Now I will show what are the 31 courses along with how much duration it is taking to complete. Once I show the total courses, I will explain you how to log in with Hedonics and how to complete a course and how the certificate will look. The first course in the category is Continuous Integration with Jenkins. So the total duration of the course it is 1.38 hours and the total lectures videos which is available it is 19 lectures. The second course in the list it is 3D visualization in R's step-by-step guide for beginners. This course having only one lecture. The third course in the list it is VFX and virtual reality theory basics. The total duration of the course it is 1.5 hours. The total number of lectures are 12 lectures. The fourth course in the list it is Getting Started with Media Queries. The total lectures are 15 lectures and the total duration it is 1.5 hours. The next course in the list it is From Story to Screen Producing a Professional Short Film. The total number of lectures are 31. The total duration it is 1 hour. The next course in the list it is Make WordPress load faster without any technical skills. The total duration it is 1 hour. The total number of lectures are 11. The next course in the list it is Online Video Creator for Quick and Professional Video in Video. The total duration it is 1.5 hours. The total number of lectures are 6. The next course in the list it is How to Build Sales Funnels with ClickFunnels. The total duration it is 1.5 hours. The total number of lectures are 9. The next course in the list it is Lean Six Sigma Introduction Specialist. The total number of lectures are 58. The total hour required it is 1.5 hours to complete the course. The next course in the list it is GIT for Beginners. The total number of lectures is 22. The total duration it is 4.12 hours. The next course in the list it is Essential SEO Training for Online Marketing. The total number of lectures are 21. The total number of duration required it is 3.5 hours. The next course in the list it is Learn Ruby on Rails by Building Projects. The total number of lectures are 55. The total duration it is 13 hours. The next course in the list it is Learn Database Design using PostgreSQL. The total number of lectures is 28 lectures. The total duration it is 5.5 hours. The next course in the list it is Learn Adobe Illustrator course from scratch. The total number of lecture it is 41 and the total duration it is 10.5 hours. The next course in the list it is Be a White Hat Hacker and Pen Tester. The total lectures are 25 and the total duration of the course it is 4.5 hours. The next course in the list it is COVID-19 Know Everything About Novel Coronavirus Outbreak. The total number of lectures are 11. The next course it is Photoshop Tips and Tricks. The total number of lectures are 47 and the total duration it is 1.5 hours. The next course in the list it is Entrepreneurship How to Find and Evaluate New Startup Ideas. The total number of lectures are 19 and the total duration to complete the course it is 1 hour. The next course it is Becoming a Digital Marketing Maestro from Scratch. The total number of lectures are 34 and the duration required it is 5.5 hours. The next course it is Complete E-Guide to ggplot to learn how to create dynamic maps. The total number of lecture it is only 1. The next course it is Build Mobile Apps and Make Money with Best Marketing Techniques. The total number of lectures are 12 and the total duration to complete the course it is 2 hours. Next course in the list it is Learn Swift Programming Step by Step. The total number of lectures are 55 and the total duration to complete the course it is 7.5 hours. Next it is Linux for absolute beginners. The total number of lectures are 51 and the total duration required to complete the course it is 12 hours. The next course it is how to add an affiliate store feed to your website or blog without coding. The total lecture it is only one. The total hour required it is only 25 minutes to complete the course. The next course it is learn how to optimize your Google My Business page in 2018. The total lectures is 16 and the total duration to complete the course it is only 1 hour. The next course in the list it is interview preparation guide for social media marketing. The total lectures are only one. The next course it is complete guide to social media marketing. The total number of lectures are 26 and the duration required to complete the course it is 4.5 hours. The next course it is Google remarketing, learn to retarget your customers. The total lectures are 11 and the total duration to complete the course it is only 1 hour. Next course it is essential SEO training for online marketing. The total numbers of lectures are 21 and the total duration to complete the course it is 3.5 hours. Next two courses are based upon YouTube. First one it is for YouTube beginners guide to a successful channel. The total number of lectures are 23 and the total duration it is 2.5 hours. And the next one it is YouTube an advanced guide for a successful YouTube channel. It contains 30 lectures and the total duration it is 4.5 hours. This is the last course in the list. What I will do, I will make the same order in the description box, all the course list. You can able to click on the link in the description and you can able to go to the course. All the courses are absolutely free. You can able to access all the courses for lifetime. The certification of completion will be sent to you. Now I will explain you how to enroll the course. Click on enroll now. It will ask to log in. You can able to log in with your Google account. So click on your Google. Log in with your Google account. Once you complete, it will show the acknowledgement. You can able to go to my dashboard and you can able to explore the course. Here you can able to see in the dashboard your courses and what are the courses you have registered. It will come in my dashboard. You can click on this one. How it will work it is. So click on the course. There is no separate exam. There is no separate exam for these courses. Once you complete watching all the videos in the course, you will get generate certificate option. Once you completed watching 100% of all videos, click on generate certificate. A certificate will be generated. Certificate will be looking like this. You can able to download or you can able to share the certificate. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.